We're driving the boat, it's like 10 o'clock, and Ryan's whipping around on shit. Woo! Yeah, nigga! Oh, shit! Sideways, end zone! Alright, slowing it down.
What's happening?
Slowing it down. You smiling, I'm nervous.
Loosey-goosey.
I knew that was gonna fucking happen.
Oh my god!
Guys, I just had a butt baby. What does this mean? What does this mean? I just jerked off to my stove. I don't know what's going on here.
Oh my god!
What the fuck? Woo! I feel like I'm young again. I haven't screamed like that since I was a little girl. I mean, no, I didn't say that.
Watch, we're gonna end up in the fucking channel.
And we're gonna end up.
Oh shit!
We're gonna end up in the fucking cement.
In one of the fucking cement buoys.
And where are those?
All the way over there.
As long as I know we're not gonna crash and die, I don't care.
I don't fucking know because, like, look at the bay and look where we are. So he's headed to the channel.
Do you know where you're going?
Yeah.
Don't hit one of those cement dots.
Yeah, we'll be fucked.
I'll beat your ass if I die. If I die, you're dead. Woo! Fuck the police! Fat ass beat clap!
Oh, yes!
Fat ass beat clap! Fat ass beat clap!
My anus hurts.
Woo! Is it weird to have a boner for this adrenaline? Cause I don't know.
No.
I don't know what's going on here.
My dick's harder than a fucking...
It would be funny as I'm fucking getting soaked. It's like this lake is jizzing onto my face. I feel like I'm getting a golden shower. I mean, no, I'm not. That was a joke. Who would thought that you would get wet on a lake? Come on. What the fuck is this? Oh, we're going, alright, we're going, alright, I don't know what you're doing.
Oh, what the fuck?
We're driving around, you know, my mama always said, ah!
Holy shit!
Are we at water safari? Is that what we're doing?
The bud never stops.
My mama always said you can make everything better by singing a song. So let's sing a song. Fat ass beat clap. Fat ass beat clap. You know what? Fuck the life jacket. I'm a reckless motherfucker. Woo! Yo!
I've never worn a life vest on my boat since I was 12 years old in my whole entire life. I've never had one.
I know those who are going to be viewing this video can't really see shit, but it's pretty damn intense. And now we're sideways. We just went sideways. Either I'm dreaming and we're actually at water safari, or I don't even know. I don't even know.
Oh, God!
I love being sideways, nigga. Let's roll this bitch. Woo!
It's capsized.
Yeah, motherfucker.
How long is this video?
We are on 3 minutes and 46 seconds.
Should I do it?
What?
Should I do it?
No,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Should I do it?
Yeah. Fucking do it.
Oh shit, do it.
Do what?
It's gonna get tense, isn't it? I feel like it's gonna get tense.
I thought you could only do that on a jet ski. What the fuck? I want my mommy. I want my mommy.
No.
You all learned today. Oh, I'm not dry anymore. I am far past moist. And oh god.
Far fast boys, he says.
Holy shit.
I'm so wet right now.
I'm not. I'm fucking dry.
This is
tighter than a 12-year-old. Holy shit. I just got done jerking off to my stove. What does that mean? I don't even know. I don't know. We're gonna end up like the fucking Titanic at the bottom of the lake. I call floating on the big door.
I call floating on the surface.
Woo!
Oh shit, nigga.
This one had. Oh! Oh, never mind. I didn't get wet. Cool.
That's where Jaws comes off and just bites the fucking front end
Yeah,
of it.
that's right. We're fucking Jaws is out here in the fucking lake with us. Oh, look, there he is.
It's
Jaws!
horrible.
Jaws, I just want to pet you. Stop.
Ow!
Oh, he bit my arm
You
off.
bit my clit off.
What if Jaws literally just jumped up on his fucking boat and like took
No,
me?
I'd be gone.
Dude, I don't even know. I don't even know what to do. I just be like, wow, I'm gonna try and beat off really quick so I can die happy.
I'm gonna jerk off in Jaws' mouth.
Yeah, that sent him away. I heard semen is an instant shark repellent. So if you're floating in the middle of the ocean surrounded by sharks, just rub one out. I'm telling you. It works 60% of the time, every time. That doesn't make sense.
Fucking cold. Blowing in. Wake up in the morning and go out.
What?
Wake up in the morning and go out.
Oh, you're talking serious. I thought you were gonna do something intense.
Intense.
Badass. What?
When we were at the field days the other night, we got two fat bitches to do the hula hoop.
Really? Bitch, you hula hoop. Why you hula hooping? What the fuck? I'm like a bird, I wanna fly away. Da 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 da. I don't know the fucking words. I'm like a bird, wanna fly away. Oh, he's going easy. Okay, I understand. The intenseness is over. We have survived this reckless night, and we shall continue to live again. Whoa!
Why is it so fucking dark? I can't even see where I'm going. Oh,
Yeah.
there's my light.
That
There
means,
we go. Yeah,
that
my
means we
natural
should
light.
stay up longer.
What?
That means because we can't see where we're going, we should stay out longer and whip around. Yeah! Yeah! Oh yeah!
I think it's more fun in the deep water.
I think it's more fun when we're all naked. I mean, no, we're not. What? Who said that? What the fuck? I remember my first. Last time I heard that, I laughed so hard I nearly fell off my dinosaur. Yep. Driving at its finest, Ryan texting. Woohoo! Woohoo! You know, there's a reason they call me tripod. It's because I have a weird growth coming out my leg that looks like another leg.
But it's really just my cock.
It's not my cock. My cock's small. But anyways,
You gotta hold on to the
Dude.
fucking wheel.
are we driving or does this boat have hydraulics?
I'm getting whiplash like you
Yeah,
would not believe.
I have whiplash from driving straight. are on 10 minutes and 38 seconds.
There is not enough storage.
Yeah, I have over like 4,000 photos out there.
Well, anyone who watches this video, peace out. If I don't put this on YouTube, it's because we're dead.